you may have noticed in the program, we're missing the 8th grade band. So where is the 8th grade band? Kind of like, where is Waldo? Well, the 8th grade band was at our December concert, and the 8th grade band will certainly be at our May concert. For those of you that have 8th graders in the mix here, you may know that they just had a concert last Friday. In fact, not only was it a concert, it was their festival performance where they performed music similar to what these students are doing on the stage, but they performed it for judges. And when these students are in 8th grade, when those students are in 8th grade, they'll get to have an opportunity to do a similar experience. And they play a march, they play a piece off of a required list of music, which is on the Class A list for them. And these students are playing songs that are on the C and D list at this point, and we'll bump them up into the B and the A lists at the end of this year and the beginning of next year. And then they also do a selected piece, and that piece can be anything that we want to do. And then after that they go and they have another judge listen to them on a song that they've never played before. And our 8th graders just went through that whole process, and they did absolutely fantastic. They had all 4 judges come back with the highest rating that you can get as a superior. So they're pretty ecstatic right now. And I'm looking forward to sending these students to the same opportunity next school year. Thank you.